Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring small letter alphabets A to N. First we are using blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A, and the next one is B, and now we are coloring the alphabet of C. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we draw and coloring F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for got. We again using blue color and again draw small letter alphabets A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog. Kids, we again draw and coloring E. E for egg, E for elephant, and the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw and coloring G. G for got. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the alphabet of H. And the next one is I. The next one is J. And now we draw K. K for kangaroo. The next one is L. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of M. M for moon, M for mangoes. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. We again draw H. The next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mangoes. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Today we draw small letter alphabets A to N. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.